everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing superstar for the Buffalo Bills, Stefon Diggs. Stefon Diggs is a rising star in the NFL, a prolific wide receiver with a great quarterback. He's doing great things for the Buffalo Bills, so really exciting to watch. So we're going to start with our black marker. We're going to find the middle of our paper, and then come up here. We're going to draw the chin of Stefon Diggs. Here we go. So about right here. And up. All right. Now we're going to connect the top. We're going to draw Stefon Diggs with this like Buffalo Bills beanie hat, like a snow hat, because it's freezing cold in Buffalo during the football season, right? So sometimes Stefon Diggs is wearing this hat. So go up and over and connect. Okay, and we're going to do a big arch right here for the hat. Connect down, and then on top we'll have this blue. We'll color it blue, but it'll be kind of like this puffy ball on the top of his Buffalo Bills snow hat. Cool? All right, so let's draw some eyes. These eyes are kind of hidden partially under that hat. How about that? 1 and 2. Draw a circle, draw a circle, draw another circle. These will be the highlights. You can leave those smaller circles white for the highlights and color in the rest of these eye area with a black marker. You can use Sharpie or any type of black marker you have, and we'll fill those in really quickly. All right, cool. Next, we're going to draw the neck area as a triangle that comes to a point around the chin. And we'll do some shoulder pads. 1, 2. Angle down. Angle down to a waist. There we go. And we'll do some small legs. Wide receivers are a little bit smaller because they have to be fast. Some small rectangles for the socks here. And let's draw these big shoes. So we got 1, 2, 3 for the laces. 1, 2, 3 for the shoelace over there. Now we're going to draw this big shoe coming out. We like to exaggerate the size of our cartoon football player, sports player's feet. Kind of makes it fun, kind of makes it different. All right. Bring it straight over, connect it up to the sock. Let's draw these cleats. Gotta have the cleats, right? So Stefon Diggs came from the University of Maryland. And was drafted by actually the Minnesota Vikings in the 5th round back in the day. He's the older brother to Dallas Cowboys star Trevon Diggs. So it's kind of fun to watch these two battle against each other, and both of which are all pro players. So it's cool to see brothers that good. So we're gonna draw an arm, his elbow coming down. So that's a shorter line, that's a longer line. Down, down. Here's the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is glove. He's holding on to this football, kind of big football coming around. All right, now his other arm, he's gonna be pointing, he's going to do a number 1 symbol in the air. So let's do a short and a long. So this will be the elbow. Goes up, goes up, connects that wrist. Okay, here's his thumb. Here's his index finger saying number 1. 1, 2. Or he could be pointing, I don't know, maybe he's saying pointing at the scoreboard. He's like, scoreboard, check it out, we're winning. All right, so now we're gonna do, Stefon Diggs has kind of a small little goatee. Actually, we'll color that in the fast forward. So we have our outline of Buffalo Bills wide receiver superstar Stefon Diggs. We're gonna color Stefon Diggs in fast forward mode. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw, Stefon Diggs.